Hello, dear students. I am Mansi Patel, your maths teacher. So, today we are going to study class 3 maths. Okay, and our today's topic is triple digit addition. Student, we try so many practice, okay, of double digit addition, single digit addition. Now, today we are going to study triple digit addition. But let me tell you, the method of the addition is completely same. So no worry, we'll start the same thing. So here the first line, as we know, it is ones. Next line is tens. And then hundreds. Yes. So, as a rule, we are going to add ones line first. So, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then answer is 0. Okay. Next, tens. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Yes, your answer is 0. Next, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. Exactly. So 700 is your answer. Students, you can see here there is between two lines of number there is addition sign. Again two line addition sign. So in triple digit there is double addition sign. But we just have to count. That's it. We just have to add. Okay. Let's take another example. 412, 318, 171. So as a rule, which line we are going to add first? Exactly ones line. Then after tens line. Then after hundreds line. So ones line 2 plus 8 plus 1. Okay. So 2 plus 8, that is 10, plus 1, 11. Now what happened? 11. It's a two-digit number, right? So it is 1, 1, 11. Okay. So this ones we are going to write here, and another one is going to be carried on tens. So it is 1, 1, 11. Understood? Now we are going to count tens line. This is tens line. Once is done. So now it is tens. So in tens line 1, 1 and 7 number are here. But one number which is carry, it is also here. So this will also add. So addition will be 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7. Yes, so it's 10. Again it is two-digit number. So in 10 number 0. Okay, 0 will return here. And 1, where will go 1? Here. No. Yes, you're right, student. Over here we are going to carry number 1. So now in hundreds line there is 1, 4, 3 and 1. Add will, okay. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Exactly, your answer is correct. So it is 9. And our final answer is 901. Understood? Okay, we'll take a last example. Then I will give you some sums to solve. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds. 2 plus 1 plus 6. Okay, so 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9. So there is no carry, nothing. 9 is a simple number, so we can directly write 9. It's okay, done. Okay, now it stands done. So 1 plus 9 10 plus 6 16. So students, you can see here 1 6 16. So 6 we are going to write over here, and 1 will be carry on hundreds. So now 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. So it is 11. 1 1 11. There is no number line over here, so we cannot carry further. So we have to write 11 here only. Now my final answer is 1169. Okay, so yes students, this is triple digit addition. I hope you understand it very well. I will give you some extra question to solve. Next, word problem. We all know how to solve word problem. Okay, yes, we solved this type of question in second standard also. So please try to remember what we do first. First, it is like a story sum, so we will first read the story, whole story, so that we can understand what is the basically concept, what it is the story. So Arjun spoke to his grandfather in USA for 13 minutes. It cost rupees 202. Amrita spoke to her grandfather in Canada for 15 minutes. It cost rupees 232. How much was the telephone bill for both calls in all? So basically there are two persons. One is Arjun, another one is Amrita. Both are calling, okay, to their grandfather for talk. Arjun talked 13 minutes and his cost is 202. Amrita talked 15 minutes and her cost is 232. What is the telephone bill? So for billing we have to count both the amount. Yes. So first we are going to underline cost 202, cost 232. Okay. Now answer. Okay. Rupees 202. Cost of Arjun's call. Plus. Why we do plus? Because we need total amount of bill. Okay, so for total amount of bill we have to add both the bill, no? So next Amrita's is 232. Cost of Amrita's call. Okay. Bill for both calls. We just have to write this sentence, okay? Nothing, we made it. Okay, so we'll do addition. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 3, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. Rupees 432. Bill for the both calls. Okay, we'll take one more word problem. Shivani has completed writing address on 35 envelopes. She has 27 envelopes left to address. How many envelopes does she have in all? Okay, so Shivani is a girl and she is writing address on envelope. So she have completed 35 envelopes written and 27 are still left to write. Okay, so 35 envelopes written plus 27 envelopes left. Okay, 7 plus 5, what is the total? Okay, 1 will carry, 1 plus 3 plus 2, don't forget to count carry number. Okay, you have to count it also. So 1 plus 3 plus 2, it is 6. So 62 envelopes Shivani have. Okay students, so it is very simple. I know you understand it very well. It is just addition type of word problem. Okay, so that's all for this part. In next part we will solve some confusing word problem, story sum. Okay, it is only about addition, but in next part we are going to solve some different types of word problems. I will send you some important question related to this topic. Okay, I hope you will solve it. Thank you.